Hello, I'm AI Sam. I'm here today to introduce AI Scam Awareness. We also encourage pet-friendly learning, AI Scam Safety 101. Hello everyone, we are going to learn some lessons about being safe when using your computer, smartphone, tablet. In addition, we'll learn how to spot email and text scams safely using examples and smart AI tips. Why seniors should care.
Look at this chart showing rising scam stats.
Seniors are often targeted by scammers.
Learning to spot scams keeps your money and personal info safe every day. What is a scam?
Scam equals fake plus trick plus money. So a scam is basically a fake message trying to trick us, right? That seems scary, but I'm ready to learn. Common email scam desktop screen pops up showing a fake package delivery email. Red flags highlighted. Here's an example. Fake package delivery email. Look for strange sender addresses or urgent demands. Red flag, urgency.
AI Sam points to bold urgent in email. I always panic when it says urgent.
Now I see I should double check before clicking anything.
Check this out, red flag. Unknown sender. I've enlarged this email header showing unfamiliar email. Unknown senders are tricky.
Always hover over email addresses to see if they match legitimate companies. Suspicious links. Take a look. I'm going to demonstrate hovering over a suspicious link. Green box appears. Never click links before checking the URL. Scammers often use slightly misspelled domains to trick you.
Take a look at this. My smartphone appears with bank alert text claiming account locked. Grandpa holds phone. Wait, my bank would never text like this?
That's good to know. I almost panicked before. AI Sam points to call official number. Always verify messages by calling official numbers listed on your bank or service websites. Never reply directly to suspicious texts. Check verify before clicking.
Oh no, even our puppy wants to check emails. But now I'm paying attention to scams.
It's important to recognize phishing tricks. I'm highlighting fake click here to win link on projected screen. Phishing emails try to trick you with prizes or threats. Always think, does this seem too good to be true? Scam email anatomy.
Take a look at the whiteboard diagram of subject line, sender, link, attachment. Seeing the structure helps. I can now tell red flags at a glance instead of panicking.
Do not open attachments. AI Sam holds USB stick and email attachment icon with warning sign. Never open unknown attachments. They can install malware or steal your info instantly. Use AI tools for verification. I'm looking on ChatGPT asking, is this email a scam? AI can help analyze suspicious messages. ChatGPT can give guidance without exposing your personal info. Exercise. Spot the scam. 3 sample emails projected on board. Grandma and Grandpa pretend to choose. I think the second one is fake. The link looks weird. Correct? Excellent observation. Let's see why the others are safe.
Red flag summary board shows urgent unknown sender, suspicious link, attachment.
Remember these key red flags: urgency, unknown sender, suspicious links, and unexpected attachments.
I guess my puppy wants to learn about this as well. Not being left out. Even the kitten wants to learn. We're all paying attention now of email scams.
We want to help you spot some scams. Also, having your friends around makes learning fun. So far, we've learned spot urgent messages, check senders, hover links, never open attachments. What to do if you click to scam. AI Sam gestures to a flowchart. Do not panic, disconnect report. If you ever click by accident, stay calm, disconnect, and report to the official organization immediately.
Projected phone shows fake delivery and account alerts. These examples really help me understand what I might receive and not freak out.
Check links carefully. This shows cursor hovering on URL in browser. Always hover over links before clicking. Look for subtle spelling errors or weird domains. Scenario, let's practice. Read aloud suspicious messages projected. AI Sam observes.
This one says I want a prize. That seems fake now that I know the tricks.
Spot red flags, verify, don't panic, use AI tools. Excellent! These 4 skills are the foundation for protecting yourself from scams. Have question? Those watching this video, I'm inviting viewers to comment. Have you ever received a suspicious email or text? Leave a comment below, share your story safely. Please subscribe and like button. See below subscribe and like icons. Follow up. If you enjoy learning with us, click like and subscribe for more AI safety and fun training. Key learning exercise. Identify safe versus fake.
3 emails on board, labeled A, B, C. B is suspicious because the sender address is strange. I have learned what to watch out for. I feel confident spotting fake emails now. I'll teach my friends too.
I got it. This was very helpful. Yes. I'll pause before clicking anything and check carefully from now on. I'll even teach him some safety information. Even the pets know when to double check. Always pause before you click. Here are 3 example texts. Interactive style. Which one is fake? Look closely at sender and wording. Choose carefully. Email and text scam safety. Remember, urgency, unknown sender, links, attachments. These are your main red flags.
We need to reinforce safe practices. Verify, don't panic, use AI on board. I'll always verify messages now.
This checklist really helps.
I'm going to mimic AI Sam, analyzing text. I can even teach others. This feels empowering.
Learning with your furry friends. See? Pets remind us to slow down and check, even kittens agree. Recap chapter email. Text scams board displays red flags plus verification plus AI tools plus calm response. Now you can confidently recognize scam emails and texts. Next, reporting and staying safe online. Let's move on to reporting scams and keeping safe online. Ready?
It's important. Reporting scams, look for official website reporting forms. Always report scams to the official company or government website.
It helps protect others. Reporting practice. A sample report on fake email example. I feel confident submitting a report safely. That's very helpful.
Using AI for verifications, check ChatGPT if sample message is a scam. AI can guide you in analyzing suspicious messages without giving personal info away. Summary of reporting and AI tools. Report plus AI check plus verification. Always report and double check using AI or official resources before taking action.
Slow down. Double check.
Even the dog says slow down. I'll double check everything now.
Responding safely. Do not reply, disconnect, report. Never reply directly to suspicious messages. Disconnect and report instead.
I'm going to apply what we have been learning. I'll pause and verify everything now. I feel confident teaching my friends too.
I'll remember the red flags and always verify with official sources first.
Quick quiz. Which red flags do you see here? Check all 4. We are asking for viewer interaction. Have you seen any fake messages lately? Those watching, please leave a comment. Click subscribe and like to join us for more AI training and fun.
Learning with your pets, it keeps everyone engaged.
Even our furry friends remind us, always double check before clicking. Today you learned, spot red flags, verify messages, don't panic, and report suspicious emails or texts.
I'm confident now and ready to help friends and family stay safe online. In closing, I learned a lot today.
Share what you learned today in the comments. How will you use these skills? AI content and educational purposes only. This video is AI generated and for learning purposes only. No personal financial advice is provided. Disclaimer. Tools mentioned are for demonstration purposes only. This video includes content that was created, assisted, or enhanced using artificial intelligence tools. This video uses AI tools for education, entertainment, and general guidance only. AI-generated characters, voices, and content, including pets and humorous elements, are fictional. Thanks for learning with us. Stay safe online, and see you in the next lesson. Please subscribe, like, comment. Don't forget to share to help friends and family stay scam safe.